Welcome to my WalletHub review. WalletHub is one of the leading personal finance websites and mobile apps, offering a range of features to help users monitor their credit scores and manage their finances effectively. If you're unfamiliar with WalletHub, it's a free service that provides tools to track your credit score, access financial advice, and explore personalized recommendations. Upon signing up, you'll be prompted to create an account where you can securely link your financial information. WalletHub offers a free credit score, updated on a monthly basis, which is powered by TransUnion, one of the major credit bureaus. The website provides detailed insights into your credit score, helping you understand the factors that influence it. This feature alone makes WalletHub a valuable tool for anyone serious about improving their financial health. What's great about WalletHub is that it also allows you to track your spending and create a budget. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to categorize expenses, set budget limits, and monitor progress throughout the month. WalletHub also integrates with your bank accounts, which gives you real-time updates about your spending. This integration is particularly helpful for people who want to stay on top of their finances without manually entering data. The mobile app is available for both Android and iOS, making it easy to manage your financial health on the go. The app features all the same tools as the website, and it's just as intuitive to use. In addition to tracking your credit score and budgeting, WalletHub offers credit monitoring alerts, helping you stay on top of any changes to your credit report. These alerts can help you identify potential fraud or errors, giving you peace of mind knowing that your financial information is safe. WalletHub also provides personalized credit card offers based on your credit profile. The website suggests cards with the best rewards or interest rates, making it easier to find a credit card that suits your needs. Whether you're looking to earn cashback, travel rewards, or reduce your interest rates, WalletHub has plenty of options to consider. Another highlight of WalletHub is its educational resources. The site offers articles and tips on personal finance, from saving money to managing debt. These resources are helpful for people who want to learn more about personal finance, but aren't sure where to start. WalletHub's advice is often tailored to your financial situation, which adds even more value to the platform. While WalletHub offers many fantastic features, there are some areas where it could improve. The website has a lot of ads, which can be a bit overwhelming. Additionally, while the free features are great, some of the advanced services, like premium credit reports or financial coaching, require a paid subscription. In conclusion, WalletHub is an excellent personal finance tool that offers a comprehensive suite of services for users looking to improve their credit, manage their finances, and make smarter financial decisions. The free tools alone are worth checking out, and the premium features could be beneficial for those looking for more in-depth financial guidance. If you're looking for an all-in-one personal finance app or website, WalletHub is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and app reviews. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it,